very great morning to all of you.
Very great morning, Durga.
Myself Durga from proud 9th grade in Sunrise Foundation School. Today I am here to describe my topic Chandrasekhar Azad. So let's start friends. Friends, do you know who was Chandrasekhar Azad? No. So I will tell you who was Chandrasekhar Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad was a freedom fighter and a brilliant revolutionist. Chandrasekhar Azad was born on 23rd July 1906. He was born in village Bhavra, which is in Banaras. His father name was Sitaram Tiwari and mother name was Jagrani Devi. Chandrasekhar is very intelligent in his study. So he left his house at the age of 13 years to study in Banaras. After going to Banaras, he got admission in the most popular school of the Banaras. That was Kashi Vidyapith Vidyalaya. He got many friends there, but he was greatly impressed by his friend's brother named Manmad. Manmad was also a freedom fighter. He used to do andolans against the British army. And Chandrasekhar also wants to free his country, that was Bharat Ma. Chandrasekhar Azad wants to free his Ma, that was Bharat Ma. Chandrasekhar also joins HRA after few times. HRA means Hindustan Revolution Association. To join HRA, he has given many tests to the leader of the HRA. The leader of the HRA was Ram Prasad Bismil. Chandrasekhar Azad wants to give the tests and pass all the tests for the HRA. After getting in HRA, he knew that there is shortage of weapons in the HRA to fight British army. So he used to do robberies for the fund of the HRA. Chandrasekhar Azad doing robberies. Friends, you also know that the Kakori train robbery in Indian history, that was known as Kakori Kant in Indian history. It was robbed in 1928 and that was robbed by the HRA members. HRA members are full heartfelt. So they robbed the British army's weapons. Now about the Chandrasekhar's friends. There are many Chandrasekhar friends and after the death of Ram Prasad Bismil, Chandrasekhar decided to leave the HRA. But his friends knew that if he left the HRA, so they cannot do anything without him because he was the favorite member of the Ram Prasad Bismil in HRA. And Chandrasekhar decided to leave the HRA and want to become an agent of the Mahatma Gandhi. He want to fight against British with peace and harmony. After listening this, Bhagat Singh understand the Chandrasekhar Azad that he was not in the HRA, so what will they do? He tell him the dream of the Ram Prasad Bismil that they want to free their countries. Chandrasekhar Azad decided to join HSRA. HSRA because he became the leader of the HRA and changed the name of HRA to HSRA. HSRA means Hindustan Social Revolution Association. After becoming the leader, he used to do many missions and that missions are sent that assembly bomb. Assembly bomb was thrown by Bhagat Singh and he was coach in that mission. Chandrasekhar Azad tell that he want to feel a mercy plea for the Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh refused to do Chandrasekhar that. Chandrasekhar also sit in Alpha Fort in 27 February 1931. He was sitting there. After some time, he know that the British army surrounded him from the four direction because that was the information given by an Indian character known as Veerbhadra. He always tell all the missions of the